Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 18 and 30 by prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we find the factors of the numbers using prime numbers, and after finding the factors, we take the product of the common prime factors to find the HCF of the two numbers. So let us first find the factors of 18. As 18 is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So the factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3 times 1. Let us now find the factors of 30. 30 is also an even number. It is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 15 is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5. So the factors of 30 are 2 times 3 times 5 times 1. Now, to find the HCF of the two numbers, we are going to first find the common factors in between the two numbers. So, let us circle the common factors. The common factors here are 2. Next common factor is 3. And next common factor is 1. So, to find the HCF, we are going to take the product of all the common factors. So, HCF will be equal to 2 times 3 times 1, which equals 6. So, the HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. So, this is how we find the HCF of any number using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.